will show you the Symphony of Stones from afar, but we are hiking now to get closer to them. It is sunny and windy today, and it's just making the hike. Oh, dog! It's just making the hike more enjoyable, except that barking dog over there. So guys, in life you just have to take chances because the dog is actually tied and there's a fence. So we are now going down to the Symphony of Stones, and there's a mark here, an arrow. This way is going to Gigard, so you can actually hike from Garni to Gigard, Stone Symphony, and the Khosrow State. But we are only going to the Symphony of Stones. I know a few friends a few years ago hiked from Garni to Gigard, and one is wearing shorts, and they said like there was a snake along the road, and like he was like crazy when he came, like it was my second life, it was my second chance. But yes, they did hike from Garni to Gigard. So there's a nice place actually here, maybe some houses or some commercial place. This is now the pathway that I'm walking through. Actually, I was hesitant to walk to the Symphony of Stones because of snow. Like maybe I'll get lost, but no. A winter hike to the Symphony of Stones, it's still beautiful. As like the road, the pathway is actually carpeted with this white pristine snow, and see, no one has even stepped here on this side. So yes, take chances. So beautiful, cloudy, at the same time sunny winter hike. Oop, oop. It's the Garni temple. Can I come here?
Symphony?
Yes.
Abi.
Oh.
China? Chin?
Нет.
Korea?
Нет.
Japonia?
Нет.
Ah.
A cute dog.
Пожалуйста.
So here are just few parts of the Symphony of Stones. I think I'm not going out from the village, but instead follow the Azat River to go back to Garni Temple. But anyway, it's okay. I have the whole day to walk around this place today, and I just hope that the temperature will not suddenly drop. And yeah, so I think I was on the wrong way. How awesome they are. So this is close. This is what the police was trying to say, but I didn't understand. Yee. So I have to go back. Hello. Bahala na mag-over the bakod. Kung nasanay ka sa Pinas ng over the bakod. Oh Lord, help. Oh my God. Shit, kinakabahan ako in fairness. Oh God, thank you. Oh my God. Oh. So this is the name of the person who did over the backbone from here. So since I was on the wrong way after all, I want to go back and go back again because I like this area also below the Azat River. Just imagine we are walking to this place alone with chirping birds and insects and the sound of the river. I don't understand. What did I do? I think I'll just go here to the village. I cannot do by the river Azat, by the river Azat. I sat down and fill in the blank. It's the beautiful Azat River in Garni, flowing along the Garni Gorge, surrounded by the Symphony of Stones. Wow. So this is not just a symphony of stones, but a symphony of nature. The sound of insects, the sound of the river, beautiful nature, snowy landscape, and there's also the Garni, the historical Garni temple. Wow, someone is there. Wow. But what is he doing? Can you imagine how magnificent this piece of nature in this park? Oh. And believe it or not, I have a photo inside here before, few years back. But I'm a bit hesitant to go inside now. I'm alone. And beside this is the Azat. Wow, look. So beautiful. Wow. And here's another one. So like if you are going to count, like they are hexagonal. 5 shapes with each columns. And I'm walking here to how beautiful, how wonderful. It's the Symphony of Stones. Believe me or not, again, I climbed up to this place, to this area, a few years ago. There are stalactites or stalagmites forming up. It's beautiful. It's amazing. But of course, I will not go up there. I feel a bit fear now. So I just enjoy this scene from below. I'm leaving now the area with Symphony of Stones, and I'm heading back to the village. I hope you enjoyed as well. Same as how much enjoyed this walk along the Garni, along the Garni Gorge, along Azat River, along the Symphony of Stones, and with the flock of sheep that was just passed by.